Hello everyone, today we solve class 6 mathematics second unit test 2024-25 question paper in detail of St. Joseph Girls High School, Cuttack. So let's start the session. If you want to download the PDF, then you can join my WhatsApp or Telegram group. So let's start the session. First, question number 1. Express 0.8% as a fraction and ratio. Okay, so easy questions. How to solve? Now first we write 0.8%. we can write 0.8 divided by 100 because percentage means divided by 100. So now we can write 8 divided by 1000 because 0.8 is equal to 8 divided by 10 and already in denominator that is 100. So how many 0? That is 3 0. That's why 1 by thousands. When we cancel 8, then 8 1 ja 8 or 4. 4 2 ja 8, then 4 2 ja 8, 4 5 ja 0. Again cancel by 2, that is 2 1 ja 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja. So answer is 1 by 125. This is bit number I. Then bit number 2I you can write. Also 0.8% is equal to same 1 by 125 is equal to 1 ratio 125. Okay. Now next question, question number 2. What is the number? Suppose let the number is x, or you can write required number. So write down 16% of required number equal to 36. Now we can write 16 divided by 100 into required number equal to 36. Now required number equal to 36 into, it will be reciprocal when go to the right side, that is 100 divided by 16. Now cancel 4 4 ja, 4 25 ja, 4 9 ja. So 25 8 ja 200, 25 9 ja 225. So answer is, the number is 225. Okay. Next question. A train cover 120 meter. So write down question number 3. Distance travel, but distance cover equal to 120 meter. Now write down time equal to 5 seconds. So tell me what is speed. So speed equal to, the formula is distance upon time. Distance divided by time. Now put the value, that is 120 divided by 5 meter per second. So 5 2 ja 10, 25 4 ja means 24 meter per second. But the question is to convert in kilometer per hour. Okay. So 24 meter per second, when we convert kilometer per hour, then we multiply 18 divided by 5. Okay. Now multiply 24 into 18, that is 8 4 ja 32, 8 2 ja 16, 19, then 24, 2 13, carry 1, 2 3 4, that is 432 divided by 5 equal to 4, 5 8 ja 40, 32, 5 6 ja 30, 2 by 5 kilometer per hour. Clear? Next, question number 4. So how to solve question number 4? The question is 3x minus 5 equal to 4. Then we can write 3x is equal to 4 plus 5, because in left side 5 is subtraction, then go to the right side it becomes addition. So 3x equal to 4 plus 5, that implies 3x equal to 9. So x equal to 9 divided by 3 So x equal to 3. Understand? Similarly, bit number 2i, 2x minus 3 equal to minus 5. Then we can write 2x equal to minus 5 plus 3. Yes or no? Now we can write 2x equal to different sign. So minus, big number sign, big number to small number minus. That is 5 minus 3, that is 2. So now we write x equal to minus 2 divided by 2. So x equal to minus 1. Clear? Next question. Question number 5. In an examination, 640 students appear, out of 544 pass and the rest are fail. Okay. What percentage of the students fail? Okay. First write down total number of students appear in exam. Total student, how much? Now equal to 640. Number of student pass or past students equal to how much? Now 544. Rest are fail. Then we can find out the number of students fail or students failed or number of students failed equal to how much? Now subtraction, that is 640 minus 544. So subtract, that is 0 minus 4, that is 6, 3, 13, that is 9. Here is 5 minus 5, 0. Means 96 students are fail. So find out percentage of student fail equal to 96 divided by total is 640 into 100, 0, 0 cancel. 8 ja 64, 8 12 ja 96, then 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja, then 2 5 ja, so 5 3 ja 15. So answer is 15%. Understand? Next question. A car cover a certain distance in 5 hours. So time is given. We can write time equal to 5 hours. If it run at the speed of, so speed equal to 54 km per hour. How much time it take the cover the same distance? First find out distance. So what is the formula for the distance? The distance equal to speed into time. So 54 into 5, that is 0 to 25 27 kilometer. Means from this kilometer or this distance cover at a speed of 90. So how much time take? So write down. Now time equal to distance upon speed. Distance, same distance, that is 270. Speed equal to 90. So 0 0 cancel. 9 3 ja, that is 3 hours. Understand? Now next question, question number 7. Y plus 2 equal to 6. So y how much? Now 6 minus 2, that is 4. Next y. X minus 4 equal to 8. So x equal to 8 plus 4, that is 12. Understand? Next question. Third I. 2x equal to 10. So x how much? Now multiply, that's why it will be divided. 10 divided by 2, that is 5. So x equal to 5. Next question, question number 8 and the important. How to solve this question? Now 7 whole into 3x plus 1, sorry minus 1, minus 6 whole into 2x plus 3 equal to 8 x minus 2 plus 1. So solve. So first we multiply 7 into 3, that is 21x. Then 7 into 1, that is minus 7. 6 into 2 that is 12x. 6 into 3 plus minus minus 6 3 is 18. When we multiply, first multiply sign, then number, then variable. Okay, so minus plus minus 6 3 is 18. 8x plus minus minus 8 2 is 16 plus 1. Now simplify. Here is different sign. So different sign means subtraction. 21 minus 12 that is 9. 9x. Big number sign is plus. Here is same sign. So addition, same sign. So 25 equal to 8x minus 15. Different sign. That's why subtraction. Understand? Now we can write 9x minus 8x. When you shift it, then 8x becomes minus 8x and minus 15 plus 25. Clear? Because left side is minus 25, then go to the right side, it will be plus 25. Now subtraction, that is x equal to 10. Answer. So completed. If you like the session, you can subscribe my channel for more video. Thank you.